Hey everyone! If you love rich, flavorful curry dishes but want faster and smarter cooking, this video is for you. Today, I'm reviewing the top 6 best multi-cookers for curry dishes that are perfect for tech lovers, home cooks, and fitness fans. From smart pressure cooking to slow simmering, these multi-cookers can completely transform your kitchen experience while saving time and effort every day. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product and smart kitchen reviews.
Product number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 Multicooker. The Cosori 9-in-1 Multicooker is one of the most versatile kitchen appliances for making delicious curry dishes at home. I really like how this cooker combines pressure cooking, rice cooking, sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, and warming into one compact machine. Its smart control panel makes it beginner-friendly, while the large cooking capacity is perfect for family-sized meals. When preparing curry dishes, the sauté mode helps build rich flavors by frying onions, garlic, and spices before pressure cooking everything to perfection. The fast cooking technology saves time without sacrificing taste. I also appreciate the durable stainless steel inner pot that distributes heat evenly for smooth and creamy curries. Another standout feature is the easy cleanup process. The non-stick components and dishwasher-safe accessories make kitchen work much easier. For home cooks who want convenience, speed, and consistent results, this multi-cooker is an excellent investment. Whether you're making chicken curry, vegetable curry, or lentil stew, the Cosori delivers flavorful meals every time.
Product number 2. Comfy 7-in-1 Small Electric Multi-Cooker. The Comfy 7-in-1 Small Electric Multi-Cooker is a fantastic option for smaller kitchens, apartments, or anyone cooking for 1 to 3 people. I really enjoy its compact design because it doesn't take up too much counter space while still offering impressive cooking performance. This multi-cooker works beautifully for curry dishes thanks to its multiple cooking functions, including sauté, steam, slow cook, rice cook, and pressure cook. The heating system cooks ingredients evenly, helping spices blend deeply into meats and vegetables for rich flavor. It's especially useful for quick weekday meals when you want homemade curry without spending hours in the kitchen. The user-friendly controls and preset cooking modes make operation very simple, even for beginners. I also like how energy efficient this cooker is compared to traditional stovetop cooking. Its lightweight design makes storage easy and cleanup is fast after cooking. If you want an affordable and reliable multi-cooker for flavorful curry recipes, the Comfy 7-in-1 is definitely worth considering.
Product number 3. Chef IQ Easy-to-Use 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Chef IQ 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker brings smart technology into modern cooking. What makes this appliance stand out is its built-in smart cooking system and app connectivity. I love how it guides users through recipes step by step, making complex curry dishes incredibly simple to prepare. This cooker includes pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice cooking, and several additional smart features. For curry lovers, the precise temperature and pressure control help lock in flavor while keeping meat tender and vegetables perfectly cooked. The integrated cooking scale is another useful feature because it helps measure ingredients accurately without extra tools. The mobile app includes hundreds of guided recipes, which is great for beginners and busy home cooks. I also appreciate the sleek, modern design that looks stylish in any kitchen setup. The Chef IQ Multi-Cooker is ideal for tech lovers who want convenience, automation, and consistent cooking performance. Whether you're making spicy curry chicken or creamy coconut curry, this smart cooker delivers excellent results with minimal effort. Product number 4. N74 SNA Hot Pot Electric Multi-Cooker.
The N74 SNA Hot Pot Electric Multi-Cooker is a unique and versatile cooking appliance designed for quick meals and flavorful dishes. I really enjoy using this cooker for curry recipes because it heats rapidly and maintains steady cooking temperatures throughout the process. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, travel, or office cooking. Despite the smaller size, it handles soups, noodles, curry dishes, and hot pot meals surprisingly well. The non-stick cooking surface prevents ingredients from sticking, making cleanup very convenient after cooking rich sauces or creamy curries.
One feature I appreciate is the dual power adjustment that gives more control over simmering and boiling. This helps create flavorful curry dishes without overcooking ingredients. It's also very beginner-friendly because operation is simple and straightforward. If you want a budget-friendly electric multi-cooker that works well for quick curry recipes and everyday meals, the N74 SNA Hot Pot Multi-Cooker is a practical and convenient choice for daily use.
Product number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro Plus 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker is one of the most advanced and premium multi-cookers available today. I'm impressed by its smart connectivity, advanced cooking features, and powerful performance for preparing rich curry dishes at home. This cooker offers pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, and more. The Smart App integration allows remote monitoring and guided cooking, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. When making curry dishes, the sauté feature develops deep spice flavor, while the pressure cooking mode dramatically reduces cooking time. The large capacity makes it excellent for meal prep and family cooking. I also appreciate the upgraded steam release system for safer operation and the premium stainless steel inner pot for durability. Its consistent heating ensures evenly cooked ingredients every time. For tech lovers and serious home cooks who want professional-level cooking results with smart features, the Instant Pot Pro Plus is an outstanding kitchen upgrade that delivers convenience and amazing flavor. Product number 6. Instant Pot 7-in-1 Electric Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot 7-in-1 Electric Multi-Cooker remains one of the most popular kitchen appliances for a reason. I like how it combines simplicity, reliability, and versatility into one affordable package that works great for curry dishes and everyday cooking. This cooker can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, warm, and cook rice with ease. For curry preparation, the sauté mode allows spices and aromatics to bloom properly before pressure cooking locks in flavor and moisture. The result is rich, tender, and delicious curry in much less time than traditional cooking methods. Its intuitive control panel makes operation easy for beginners while still offering flexibility for experienced cooks. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean, and the safety features provide peace of mind during pressure cooking. I also appreciate the large online recipe community where users share creative meal ideas daily. If you want a dependable and versatile multi-cooker that consistently delivers tasty curry dishes, the Instant Pot 7-in-1 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching my top 6 multi-cookers for curry dishes review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect cooker for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for prices, deals, and full product details.